Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. 49,100 original documented miles on this car. Got this here locally from a close friend of mine. Very well maintained. We just had this car professionally paint corrected. It looks gorgeous, as you can see. This is the bright red. That's what the name the color was called. Listen to that Flowmaster sound. Sounds great. Top is new, excellent condition. Beautiful car. It's a manual 5-speed. It's got Eibach lowering suspension on it. It's got all the goodies you do to a 5.0. Some BBK headers, Flowmasters. It's got the strut tower braces under the hood. Aluminum radiator. BBK throttle body, dual electric fans. Real pretty under the hood too. It's got a lot of chrome and stuff. Got pictures on the website. Those chrome ponies are looking great. No scratches. New Falcon tires. Inside, got the Momo steering wheel. Got the suede shifter cover. Suede inserts. The seats have all been redone. You can see the red stitching. Very nice. Very clean inside. There's no damage in here. Pop these back seats up. Back seat looks great. Here we go. Let's jump in here. Look at the mileage. 49,166. Oh man, it makes me feel like I'm 17 again listening to that. No lights on here. Really fun car to drive. It's got a stage 2 clutch in it. Clean Carfax. Really, really pretty. Let's get this side with the sun. Look at that red. Wow. You can call us, text us, email us. I will respond quickly. We can ship this to you enclosed or open anywhere in the country. You can finance. You can pay cash, whatever you like. We do have a finance option on our website. We also offer an extended warranty for this car. It's the same warranty used at Barrett-Jackson. That saline wing looks great. So it's not all factory. This has been modified, a lot of modifications, but they're all tasteful and period correct. This is what we were doing to them back in the 90s. AC works, it's cold. Comes with a car cover as well. So I hope to hear from you in this one. Smash the like button, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. Hope to hear from you. Snatch this one up. These are going to go up in value, so they've already started to do that. I think there's a lot of room for these to grow. Iconic Fox body Mustang. Talk to you soon.